Good evening, students. Tonight we are going to go over the presentation on how ready you are, whether you are or not, to assume a leadership role. Leaders assume multiple roles. Those roles represent the expectations that other people have of the person who is occupying the position. It is very important for the leaders to consider whether they are ready for that role because mismatches in what other people expect or skills that you may or may not have can derail a leader's effectiveness. The questionnaire that you're going to be taking next is going to assess your readiness to assume a leadership role. And by the way, this questionnaire was prepared by Kreitner and Knickie in 2004.